You want to learn how to make Jamaican style sweet and sour chicken? Well, this is a step-by-step video for you. To season the chicken, 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 egg. Now massage the seasoning in the chicken. We're going to use canola oil. I'm going to season the oil, add scallion, pepper, and garlic. To make the breading for the chicken, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup cornstarch, tablespoon garlic powder, tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Now whisk it. Now put the chicken in the breading. Coat them in the breading. Now remove the pepper, scallion and garlic from the pot. Now I'm going to fry the chicken breast them for 6 minutes. It is already 6 minutes, so I'm going to remove the chicken from the pot. Now I'm going to saute the vegetables. Now add onions and sweet peppers. Add carrots, pimentos. Now add scallion. Just a little bit all-purpose seasoning. Add pineapples. Now I'm going to remove the vegetables from the pot. Now to the pan add butter. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Make it cook properly. To make the sweet and sour sauce, half cup ketchup, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Now add the sauce to the pan. Now add fresh thyme. Now turn down the stove on low and allow the sauce to cook for 5 minutes. So this is how you want the sauce to look. Now add the chicken. Toss them in the sauce. Now add all the vegetables. Here you have it, my people. Now turn off the stove. Here you have it, Jamaican style sweet and sour chicken. I'm gonna list all the ingredients below the video, so check below the video right here for all the ingredients. What would you eat the sweet and sour chicken with?